Okay. Okay, hello, my name is Gianfranco Gostinski, and in this video, I will walk you through the data analysis I performed using a dataset from Kaggle titled Amazon Sales Dataset. Okay, so this dataset includes information about over 1,000 products from Amazon, such as their prices, discount ratings, reviews, and categories. So the main goal of this project is um, to answer two questions. Okay, the first one is what is the distribution of product prices, and the second question is which product categories um, have the highest average customer ratings. Okay. So along the way, I will also demonstrate some important data cleaning, visualization, and interpretation techniques, using Python and some libraries. Um, so right here, you can see all the libraries I'm using in this project, and then I loaded the dataset from my Google Drive, since I'm using Google Colab for this project. And then I read this CSV using pandas and convert this into a data frame. Okay. Then I try to understand more the structure of the data using the head function and the info function. And I learned that this dataset contains 1,465 entries. I had 16 columns, and all of these columns are treated as strings, even the actual price and discount price and the rating column. So that's one thing I need to change later. Um, I created a simple histogram using the rating categories just to see the distribution of product ratings across the data set. Okay, just to know to better know this information. Okay, uh, right here you can see the output from the described function that it provides me statistical information about my data set, and here I begin to clean my data. Okay, so I cleaned these two columns, actual price and discounted price. What I did was to remove the currency symbol, this one, okay, and then I convert these two columns into a float data type, which is a numeric format, okay. And I did the same for the rating column. Uh, so you can see right here in this output from the info function that the discount price, actual price, and ratings now are float, which is the numeric format that I needed to use these columns. Okay. Something I wanted to see if I have some missing values in this data set. So I use the isNet function, and I found that I have just one missing value in the grading column, and I made the decision to delete this row since it's not a significant number. Okay. Okay. So to answer the first question, what is the distribution of product prices in this data set? I use histogram, okay, to visualize the spread of the price. And what you can see right here, the configuration of this chart. And then I use a box plot to check if I have some outliers in the price column. Okay, and you can see right here the first chart, the histogram. Uh, I have some statistical information provided by the describe function. And this is the box plot where you can see that I have some outliers, okay, in this, sorry, in this column price. So I have wrote down my key observations and conclusions, and you can see that the most of the products from this data set are affordable. The median price is 1,650, okay, um, which is below of the mean price, okay. Um, and you can see that the maximum price is 1,039.900, which is higher, much higher than the average price. Okay, so the data is right skew, so the distribution of prices is right skew. This confirms what you can see right here in the histogram. Okay, and that mass products are clustered right here on the left of the visual, okay, and you have a large tail in the right side of the this chart, okay. And my final response is that most Amazon products in this data set are affordable, which a large portion price under $5,000. However, I have some products that create a long tail in the price distribution. Okay, obviously this impacts on the average price, making it higher than the typical product uh, cost. Okay, then I wanted to answer my second question, which product categories have the highest average rating, and I group the dataset by the category um, column, and then I calculated the mean rating for each. Okay, and you can see right here the output of those line of codes. Okay, then I wanted to visualize the top 10 categories using horizontal bar chart. Uh, you can see right here all of the configuration for this visual, and I'm gonna use a green gradient to highlight the difference. And as you can see, this category tablets have um, the top average rating. Okay, and I wanted to see this same information but using all the categories. So I created the same chart, but for the whole column. Okay, and you can see right here the top 10. And at the bottom of this chart, you can see the lowest rated categories. Okay, so I have just right here some annotations like the lowest rated categories, and you can see you can find the electric grinders, the keyboard, mouse accessories like desk covers, the PC headsets, and the 3D glasses. Okay, and my final response for this second question is the analysis reveals that um, while most Amazon product categories are well received, we have some uh, certain types of products that outperforms others in terms of customer satisfaction. And this insight can help some businesses to focus their efforts on improving underperforming categories and leverage high performing ones for uh, strategic growth. Okay, so this is my project using Python, and I think that that's all for this week. Thank you for watching my video and see you next week.